What's up people, welcome to my channel Coding with Mr.M. So in this video I'm going to show you best ways to make the money online. So let's get started. So before starting, please subscribe my channel and turn on notification bell on, please like this video and share to everyone so everyone can make money online for free. This video is for especially for students. Okay, so let's get started. Let's open the Chrome. So I'm going to discover the nine I'm going to discover new websites. From that you can make money online for free. Okay, let's do it. So this is the first website. So this is the Amazon Mechanical Turk. So you can see the benefits, and you can sign in as a requester, and then you can learn about it. So you can see here how it's work and the use cases. Okay, let's move to the second website, that is youtube.com. So as you know, if you want to earn money from if you want to make money from YouTube, you need to get 4,000 watch hours as well as 1k subscribers. So this is the YouTube. I hope you know the roles. So it is a from YouTube you can easily make money if you have the 4,000 watch hours as well as 1k subscribers. So let's move to the another website, that is the third one. So that is Upwork. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is the official site of Upwork. So here, okay, so as they are telling, they are giving 1 million. Okay, so if you have any talent like web, mobile and software development and design and creative and sales executive and customer care, you can just and make money from this website. And then you can sign in or log in for on this website, as well as you can post a job. So these are the companies that are working on Upwork. Okay, this is the how it's work. You need to post a job and the bids come to you, collaborate. So if you want to upgrade this website, so you can choose any plans of them. So first of all, I tell you to go with the basic plan and then go upgrade. Okay, let's move to the fourth website, that is kdp.amazon.com. So this is the Kindle Kindle website of Amazon. So you need to self-publish ebooks and paper books, make money more and up to 70%. Okay, you can sign in and sign up if you have a Amazon account, then just sign in. Okay, let's move to the fifth website, that is us Fotolia.com. Okay, so this is the website. So this is the website about making money while uploading your photos. You can sell your photos on this website for free. You can see here, just see that, sell images. This is the website officially from Adobe. So if you click on that, so you will get an option like that. If you already have a Adobe ID, then just sign in. If you don't have any ID, then then sign up. Okay, let's move to the another website. This is the Swagbucks. I hope you heard about it. Put cash back in your wallet, so get free gifts, earn points, and get free gift cards. We paid, so they are telling we paid to lots of members. So okay, just sign in and then check out how this website is gonna work. It's saying join for free, so it's for free. And another website is Fiverr. I hope you already don't know about it. It is a freelance website, freelancer. So you can sign in and sign up for free, and then you can make money from this website too. And it is a trusted one. Okay, so let's move to the another website, that is global.jetdual.com. So this is the official website of it. So you can request a consultation and choose your plan. You can log in, as well as you can sign up here for free. If you need any assistant, you can contact them. If you have any, I mean, if you're a developer, if you have any of them, then you can apply. I mean, you can make money from this website too. Okay, let's move to the last website, that is Skillshare. Yeah, you probably heard about it, and also saw lots of ads from Facebook as well as from on Instagram. So this is the website of it. You can explore creativity, join and watch play. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for